Okay, we're at the top of the lift and we're taking the few steps up to the windsock and we're gonna jump off a mountain. Seriously, that's what we're doing today. We're jumping off a mountain. I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and this is Paragliding in Chamonix, France. Thanks so much for stopping back by the channel, and if you're new here, I put out weekly travel videos inspiring you to get out there and do crazy things like jump off a mountain. So make sure to click that red subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss an episode of all these shenanigans. If you see up here, we are headed up to the very, very top of Brevent, and we are going to go paragliding today. I can't wait, let's go. So a couple of things to note. When you are going, you have to bring a windbreaker. So I'd bring a rain jacket, like a light Patagonia rain jacket. You have to have closed-toed shoes and long pants. You don't really need anything else with you besides your money. You don't pay until the very, very end when the guys are packing up their parachutes. One extra tip if you decide to go paragliding and you get sick easily, like motion sickness, I would suggest taking a Bonine before you go. Don't take a Dramamine because then you'll fall asleep. But if you take a Bonine, you won't have any motion sickness. So we are on our way back up to the gondola. We were there yesterday hiking, and I have to say, after 2 days of hiking in Chamonix, just going to the gondola is exhausting. It's all uphill from our hotel. So we're going with Fly Chamonix, and we are going off the Brevent lift, and we're gonna get these amazing views of Mont Blanc behind us. And that's spectacular, but right now we're still traveling uphill. This is bananas that we're doing this today. Check this out. So Sharon, what are we doing today?
We're doing that.
We're doing that.
Paragliding.
So we just bought our tickets for the gondola, and it was very funny. The lady asked where we were going, and we're like, we don't know. We're going halfway up, we're going to the top. And then we said, we're going paragliding. And then she goes, okay, so one way. We're like, wait, how do we get down? Oh yeah, we're gonna go paragliding. So far so good. We're about 15 minutes early, and we're supposed to be meeting at this meeting point at the Brevent lift. We're just waiting for the guys to show up from Fly Chamonix. So while we're waiting for the guides, I'd like to introduce my girlfriends to you. The first one is Sharon. She's from Atlanta. And we have Alan. She's also from Atlanta. And then we have my friend Leah, and Leah's from Chattanooga.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, we're at the top of the lift, and we're taking the few steps up to the windsock, and we're gonna jump off a mountain. Okay, perfect.
Perfect. Mine.
You are gonna keep me safe, yes?
I hope.
You hope.
Yeah.
Woo!
Always. But I need you for the takeoff.
Okay, I'll be there.
Great. You need to start walking.
Start
and
working.
Walking fast.
Okay,
Okay. We have 2 parts.
yes. There it is. Hey, I think I'm starting. Go! Oh my God!
Run fast, you can. Fast, you can.
Ah!
Very good.
Oh my God! Oh! That was amazing! feel like you're flying like a bird. And you can pick up the winds and actually go higher and spin around. We got so close to Mont Blanc. We were so close to the mountains. You could see your friends up close. We were flying right next to them. Hey, friend! So I'm being a wuss and I'm saying no to the acrobatics because I probably get motion sickness. Knowing me, I get sick riding in a car, let alone in a parachute. Okay, I've said this is amazing like 10,000 times. I can't think of another word. Spectacular, amazing, incredible, unbelievable. You have to do it. And we're coming down for our landing now.
Make a little acceleration to your front. Now. Get up, get up, get up.
Get up, get up, get up. Get up now.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Very good.
We survived.
We done.
We did it. Woo!
Perfect.
Oh my God, that was so much fun. We did it. We saw where we hiked yesterday. We saw the lake. We saw everything, and this one did all the acrobatics.
I
So
did. We did
you
360. Oh my God, it was so amazing.
Alan, would you do it again?
Yes, in a New York minute.
And a New York minute, we do it again. Whew. I'm shaking. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe. So now that we've landed, what's really funny is the two girlfriends that have come down so far, we've all said it's amazing. That's the only word we can seem to say. So I wonder if when the fourth one lands, if she's gonna say, it's amazing. Yeah, how are ya?
Good.
And what'd you think?
That was amazing.
It was crazy when we landed. They said, just stand up like it was nothing. We'd been like hovered in and hunkered down in the chair for the past, 45 minutes or so? And then they're like, stand up as if it's nothing. So there are about 10 companies here in Chamonix where you can do this, but we went with Fly Chamonix. It was around 110 euros, and afterwards you can also pay about another 40 euros, I think, to have your GoPro. And at the end of your ride, they give you the entire disc so you can go see and relive everything that you just experienced.
Thank you, girl.
Have a very good day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Whew, let's see, how can I describe that? I don't know how to describe that. I'm so glad I did it. It's worth it. Do it. If you love this, make sure to stay tuned for our hiking from Chamonix to Courmayeur for the next 3 days. Whew, worn out. It was so fun. It was amazing. And anything, I really, it's exciting. It's a little bit scary. And yeah, I can't believe I'm gonna be doing this.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, this is your first time too.
Exactly.
That's so.
And my ears just popped. I'm flying.
Okay, maybe I do for the live.
Okay, good. So close to us. Where? They're gone now. How do I do it?
Give me the camera.
There's the camera. Did it! Woo!
Perfect.
It was so amazing. Thank you for the amazing ride. That was so fun.